In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on a Skrill account. If you want to hold a different currency balance inside Skrill, the good news is that this is done through the exchange feature. Instead of changing your entire account setup manually, Skrill lets you convert money from one currency to another. And once you do that, a new currency balance is created automatically in your account. To get started, go to the Skrill website and log into your account. After signing in, make sure you're on the dashboard. This is the main area where you can view your balance, access account tools, and manage transactions. From the dashboard, look for the exchange option. It's usually marked with a circular arrows icon, which makes it easy to recognize. Click or tap on exchange to open the currency conversion tool. Once you're in the exchange section, you'll need to choose the two currencies involved in the conversion. First, select the currency you want to convert from. This is the balance you already have in your Skrill account. Then choose the currency you want to convert to, which is the new balance you want Skrill to create for you. After that, enter the amount you'd like to convert. Take a moment here to double check the value before continuing, especially if you're moving a larger amount. This helps make sure you're converting exactly what you intend to. When everything looks correct, click Convert or Confirm to complete the exchange. Skrill will then process the conversion, and once it goes through, a new currency balance will be added to your account automatically. That means if you previously only had one balance, you can now start holding multiple currencies in the same Skrill account, such as US dollars, euros, or British pounds. This can be especially helpful if you send money internationally, shop in different currencies, or simply want more flexibility in managing funds. One important thing to keep in mind is that exchange rates and any applicable fees may affect the final amount you receive after conversion. So it's always a good idea to review the details shown on the screen before confirming. And that's it. Log into Skrill, open the dashboard, select exchange, choose the currency you want to convert from and the currency you want to convert to, enter your amount, and confirm the conversion. Once completed, Skrill automatically creates the new currency balance for you, making it simple to manage multiple currencies in one account.